All right, how's it going out there? Right, today we're gonna make this pasta. Sausage, spicy, some red beans in there, kind of bulk it out a bit. Nice family budget meal. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so look, I've got here 3 cups of sausages cooked. Now, I've done mine in an air fryer. You can fry them in a pan, up to you. And if you're using something like, Frank's or something, like, hot dog sort of things, you don't even have to cook them. They can cook them in the pan. They're already cooked, basically. Equal amounts of canned tomatoes. That's 1 can of tomato, a regular 400 ml can of tomatoes. There I've got 2 cups of red kidney beans. Again, I got them from a can. If you're going to get them from a can, please do give them a lovely little wash, rinse through in some cold water. 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, a teaspoon each of the following: salt, pepper, chili powder, cumin, oregano, and paprika. Now I've got smoked paprika there. You could use sweet paprika if you want. If you use hot paprika, you're basically putting twice the amount of chili in, so be careful with that. Let's get to the cooker. So here I am. I've got a kind of wok-y type thing. You're gonna need something like that to get this cooked, or a large skillet. In there I've got some oil, a couple of tablespoons of sunflower oil I'm using. You could use something different. 1 cup of onion goes in. 1 tablespoon of the garlic. We're going to go just for about 3 or 4 minutes, stirring fairly often. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to drop in our sausage. Like I say, these are a cooked sausage. I pop these in my air fryer, or like I say, you can just fry them away. If I remember, I'll leave a video that will pop up at the end on a couple of ways to cook sausages. And like I said, if you use some like kind of chicken franks or hot dog type things, just chop them up and get them in. They're already cooked, they just need heating. Now, I didn't show you earlier the pasta. Here I'm using fusilli. Just get that ready because we're going to really concentrate on the sauce. There's 3 or 4 cups there of cooked pasta. We're now going to add in the beans. And of course, you could be adding some other veg to this as well. Get some sweet corn in here, mushrooms, bell peppers, zucchini, up to you. And then the spices, here we go. So a teaspoon each: salt, pepper, chili powder, paprika, I'm using smoked, cumin, and oregano, dried oregano. Now that combo of spices that I've just shown you is basically the same as one of those taco type, like kind of fajita mix things you get, but without all the added rubbish that they put in there. So we really are getting that kind of Mexican-y type flavour. Okay, the can of tomatoes, 400 ml, a regular sized can. That was a whole plum tomato, and what I've done is I just really roughly crushed it with my hand. Okay, we're going to turn the heat down to below medium now, and we're going to let this go for 5 or 6 minutes. We're going to give it a stir every now and then. You've done it. Okay, fabulous stuff. Now I'm about to drop the cooked pasta in there, but before I do that, this is great in some jacket potatoes. Get some baked potatoes and pop that in with some cheese on it. That's really good in there. So you might want to grab a bit of it before you do that. Okay, here's my pasta. I've got this, like I say, 3 or 4 cups of fusilli. I've just cooked that. Let's just work that around for about 3 minutes or so with the heat on. Now if you want some fresh chili in there, maybe a little bit of cilantro or coriander. I'm going just like this, really simple, beautiful, fairly spicy. Sausage, tomato, pasta. All right, and there you go. Nice little family meal. That kind of, works out well. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.